Hey everyone, it's Nancy again over at Ultimate Fitness, and I'm going to go back to the video that I did on the advice for some snow shoveling. So, as we all know by now, there is a major winter storm that is right on our doorstep, and if you have listened to the weather forecasters, they are calling it a blizzard. So, once again, my suggestions to everyone, if you had tuned into the Ultimate Fitness channel the other day, and I had suggested that it is wise for everyone to remember to take a break while they are out shoveling. And this time, that is going to be even more necessary than if it was light snow. This snowstorm, it's going to be heavy snow. So, a couple of suggestions on shoveling the heavy snow. So, normally, what I do when I'm in my driveway, especially at the end of the driveway after the snowplow has already come by to clear the road, the snow at the end is like extremely ridiculous. It's like cement every single time you go to just shovel a little bit of it. So usually what I do is I try and do maybe 2 shovelfuls, and I do not throw it behind me. I don't throw it over my head. I usually push it, and then on the second time I'll usually pick it up and I'll try and put it up next to the snowbanks that are already there as fast as I possibly can. Remember to always make sure every single time that you pick up a shovelful of snow to bend your knees. Do not just bend over and shovel snow. Make sure you're always bending at the knees, especially when the snow is heavy, because it will do less. You'll end up maybe not pulling a muscle if you have to pick up a lot of the snow, and you end up having to like maybe get it up higher because the snowbanks are probably going to be really large. Remember, this is also a good suggestion also. Usually after I do 1 or 2 or 3 times of the bottom of the driveway, I will stop and I will count backwards from 10, and I will do that slowly, and then I will continue on to do the bottom of the driveway. So I know, like I had spoken about before, usually large snowstorms bring about a lot of anxiety, and that has a tendency to raise our blood pressure. Make sure that you are staying hydrated while you're outside in the storm. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. I know the very first thing that everyone wants to do is to go grab a cup of coffee and, rush right out there and start getting to the snow. But please, take my advice and try and stay as hydrated as you possibly can while you're outside. Make sure that you also stay covered up. The wind is going to be ferocious this time, so make sure that you keep your head wrapped and your hands and your ears covered, especially seeing that the winds are probably going to be blowing in excess of like 50 miles per hour. So, for everyone out there, especially all of the Ultimate Fitness viewers, please stay safe in this storm, and remember to take breaks while you're shoveling. Stay hydrated, and just please heed my advice. Have a great day, and thanks for watching this channel.